If you've ever wanted to play Assetto Corsa on your phone, this guide will show you exactly how to get it running in just few simple steps. First, make sure you already have Assetto Corsa installed on your computer through Steam. This is important because your phone will connect directly to your PC to run the game smoothly. Next, grab your phone and head over to the App Store, then download Steam Link. This app lets you access your Steam library from your phone and control your games remotely. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Start Playing. It will automatically search for your computer. Make sure both your phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi Fi network for the best connection. After your device is detected, you'll see a pairing code on your phone. Enter that code on your computer to connect the two devices. Once paired, you'll be able to see your entire Steam library right on your phone screen. From there, just tap on Assetto Corsa and launch it like you normally would. Give it a few seconds to load, and you should see the game running directly on your phone. Now, for a smoother experience, here's a few quick tips. First, use a strong and stable Wi Fi connection. This makes a big difference in performance. If your connection is weak, you might notice some lag or delay. Second, if you have a controller connected to your phone, this will make driving feel way more natural compared to touch controls. And lastly, you can also try Moonlight Game streaming if you want even better performance, especially if your setup supports it. And that's it. Once everything is set up, you can enjoy playing Assetto Corsa right on your phone whenever you want.